You guys know after the release of iOS 26, liquid glass feature was available for all iPhone users. But one thing that I really didn't like it was when you wanted to change the font on the lock screen for the clock on lock screen. Okay, let's just do it and tap on customize. The liquid glass for the clock numbers was available for only the first font, which is this one. But after the release of iOS 26.2, it is now available for all the other fonts, which is something really cool. And I believe it is like a hidden feature that maybe iPhone users still do not know it is available or it's been released. So let's try for others. Now for this one is available. This one as well. This one as well. Yeah, even this and that one. Let's try this one and let's change the opacity. Yes, it works. Let's change swipe left. Yeah, it's cool. So I really like it. And I think this is like a hidden iPhone feature that every iPhone or iPad user should know it. If you liked it, share with your friends so that they know this hidden feature that is available for iPhone users. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more iPhone hidden features like this one. I'll see you in the next one.